Hey guys, look at what I just got, this magnetic charging cable. This is a great charging cable because it brings the 3 inputs that you need. Lightning, it brings the USB-C, and it brings a micro B charging head. And then you're able to just attach this to your phone. And this is the magnetic base. This is where it attaches to. The cool thing about this is that it swivels, so it's not going to come off that easily and it won't break. And then you have your USB-A input here. And it even comes with this convenient carrying strap, so you could store all your heads on here, and this wraps up the cord itself right here. So I'm going to show you how this works. Here's my phone, the micro USB. I slide it out. I attach it onto here. So I have it attached. I'm going to plug it into my wall. So when you plug it in, it lights up. And then once you plug it into the phone, it lights up even more. So this is a fast charging cord. Let me show you how cool that this cord looks when it's dark. Look at that. That's very cool. So it shows all the energy moving around the cable while you're charging your phone. Very cool. This is a 10-foot cord.